That was about it, man. I mean, I was head over I was head over heels the first time I saw her. I just couldn't take my eyes off her.
He's pretty cool.
I can't let this woman go. You know, I had this vision of me as an old guy thinking, yeah, God, there was that girl from Montana, man.
You know, my marriage just gets better and better every year.
How did you raise such beautiful daughters, and what did you do?
Well, he was fun and I was constant.
Oh, very well. They consider Sue their best friend, I think.